One of my favorite features for IKEA drawers is that they're fully adjustable fronts. Now, even some of the custom guys can offer that, and that's just one of the beauty things about these kitchens. So I'm going to show you how to adjust them today. And so really at the end of the day, you line this up, and if you need to lift one, shift it left or right, up or down, you can twist it. And even these taller ones, you can manipulate it in and out. So we'll start on this one. Now with these rails, you can actually just pop this out and you can spin this and it's like a turnbuckle. So what that does is that manipulates the front this way so they don't look goofy from the side. Then under this little cover panel, this plastic screw allows it to shift left and right. And then this one right there is up and down. So with those controls, it's fully adjustable. There's nothing that you can't fix. And finally, I'll put this also on my how to actually construct the drawers. But if you ever need to pop the drawer front off, right in this little hidden location, there's a Phillips head location. And you get your screwdriver in there, and once you turn it, it'll disconnect. There's like a cam in there, and it'll disconnect it. So you just got to do that both sides. One thing to keep in mind, if you need to take the front off of a taller drawer, underneath here, there's like a plastic L-tie bracket, and it needs to be disconnected from the bottom of this shelf before you can take the front off. So if you ever have to take a drawer apart, don't forget about these. So these clips go into this square channel right here. It'll clip right away.